Comets, Meteors, and Asteroids exit. After reading the article, Meteoroids, Space Rocks, answer the 5 questions below. First, type your last name in the box here. Next, type your first name in the box here. Now you will select your cycle number. Number 1, true or false? This passage is mostly about meteoroids. True or false? Number 2, what are meteoroids? Shooting stars in space, small moons in space, or pieces of rock in space? Number 3, how long can a comet's tail be? Up to 6 billion miles long, up to 6 million miles long, or up to 8 million miles long? Number 4, what do you call a rock from space that has made it all the way to Earth's surface? Meteorite, meteoroid, or meteor? And number 5, according to the article, how much did the largest meteorite ever found weigh? 15.5 pounds, 16.5 tons, or 15.5 tons?